So before we finish up this DTOs, we'll start working on DTO. We need to reformat the names of this camel case to underscore, the word separated with underscore. So we are going to follow the same pattern in database. We are going to follow camel casing in our TypeScript, and for files we are using hyphen separated, and for entity we will be using Pascal case. Okay, so now these are the single word all in small case. This one I may need to rename probably with profile underscore. Let's do one thing, profile underscore picture. So I can do this way. For phone number as well, I can just keep phone number. Doing this, our database will be consistent. The pattern, the standards will be same throughout our database. Like we are going to use similar column naming standards. So here I'm also going to do address line 1, and again here I'm going to use name address underscore line 2. Okay, I'm going to fix the formatting of this, and now it went into multi lines. That's fine. And now I also need to do this for zip code. So name zip code, and for date of birth as well, name date of birth. Okay, I will reformat this again. I don't know why I entered. Okay, I reformatted it. It looks same. And let me just verify it again. So this is single word, and this is double word. So I have profile picture, phone number, and for address line 1, address line 2, zip code, and date of birth. So this is fine. Let me verify base entity as well again. Okay, I think I imported incorrect base entity, so this will not come from this. Instead it will come from our custom base entity. Okay, let me go back here. In this we have already renamed it, created it, updated it. Okay, now if you want TypeORM to create with the following table structure, understanding this column and annotation, we need to register the user in our module. So although this database module has all the configurations, and we are importing this database module in where in app module, but we need to configure it, register the feature as well wherever we are whenever we are trying to use new entity or something, we need to register it. So we can do it here as well, but let's do it in the module level, at module level. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use imports, and I will use TypeORM module dot for feature, and I need to import entity here. Okay, I think that's it. I can try running this one. Let me just do it. npm start dev. Now upon starting this, it should create table in database s.sqlite. Okay, if I go back in SQLite, I don't have it as of now. Now if I open the SQLite file again, now we have users table. Also all the names you see, none of them are in camel case. All the column names are properly formatted, and right now we don't have any data here. As we see, we don't have any data, although these are the columns we have already defined. If you want, you can click on the table, you can explore this you can explore this data types, but this extension is very limited, like you don't have much more details here. So that was it from this video, and now we will create DTO.